Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking it down a notch. Well, like a lot of notches. We have the brand new Real Littles backpacks. But guys, hold up, wait a minute. I know a lot of you outside the States already know these as micropacks. Well, Moose Toys has helped us out so much by bringing this over to America. We actually didn't have micropacks over here. I only saw them in Canada. I was able to buy some at Showcase online, and then lo and behold, Moose sends me these. So thank you so much to Moose. I'm so happy to see that these have now joined up with the Real Littles line. Let's open them up. Real Littles backpacks, super duper cute, totally shiny, so much fun. They're not quite play scale, but they're good for like larger dolls. You could even pair these with your kindy kids. Why not? Maybe they can unbox these. With 55 plus surprises to collect, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get inside these little miniature backpacks. And they are perfect for the Real Littles collection. This is actually the size of the tape that you may get. So this is pretty awesome. You're gonna get maybe an eraser, a notebook, a pencil, maybe a ruler or a highlighter or some colored pencils or some sticky tape. And even the sticky tape is not like your normal clear tape. It's gonna be like fun tape to like decorate stuff. We also have some stationery with envelopes and a folder, and you could use your notepad or notebook or anything else to create some fun little notes. I love this. You can even attach this to your backpack. So you can attach your Littles backpack to your regular backpack. How cute is that? Love this iridescent shine. We even have the front pouch over here. Usually doesn't have anything inside, just some stuffing, but you can put things in there. It's a fully functional mini backpack. Put some money in there, hide your goodies. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have our envelopes. We got a 3D popsicle eraser that you can take apart and possibly mix and match. Yeah, you totally can. That is super fun. The blue one's always going to be at the top though, but you can mix the yellow and the green. And these are really working miniature school supplies. Ooh, one of them fell out. We got a pencil. I love this little ruler. This is so adorable. It actually has actual numbers where you can really measure in centimeters. OMG. To continue with the popsicle theme, we have, I think, a highlighter. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, we have a popsicle highlighter. And this is super cute. You know what these are? These are little miniature sticky notes, and it is a heart with some gradient going down. Looks really super pretty, nice little rainbow gradient, and these really do work yet again. Now I'm gonna highlight. Look how nice that is. Does anybody highlight anything in books anymore? I did. I used to put little sticky notes too. I don't know if anybody does that. Now, unlike the other ones that are from Canada, this does not come with a checklist. I haven't seen one yet. Check out the front pouch. Nothing in there. Yet again, we have these realistic straps, these shoulder straps, and we have a clip to clip onto a backpack or a purse, or even like a belt buckle or belt loop. How cute would your Shoppie dolls look with these? Oh, we got a duplicate. We have the eraser, the 3D popsicle eraser. Here's the envelopes again. Hopefully this is not a total bust. Pencil. Got 3 dupes so far. Oh, 4th dupe. And we have a ruler. Oh, come on. Okay, at least it's a purple popsicle with also a purple highlighter. That's cool. Anything else? And now we have a different colored gradient heart with like as a sticky note. So you don't always get the same stuff. And honestly, a lot of this stuff is pretty functional. It's not like you're just getting the same old stuff all the time. You could always piece these together and then you could have an even longer ruler. Why not, right? Okay guys, now that I've unboxed them, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. I think these are really adorable. They're great little like gifts for stocking stuffers, perfect for tweens, even like boys love them. My son loves these backpacks. They are really adorable. They're great for pretend play too. Add them to your doll line, add them to your doll house setup. If you have larger scale dolls that need a backpack, these are perfect. Like glitter girls are good, even the Shoppie dolls, why not? They're really cute. Plus, you can get all of this stuff out and use these little backpacks as just like your perfect little like wallet. When I used to go to concerts, I would love to have a little backpack like this. Loop this onto my jeans belt or my jeans loop and just put my money in there. And I didn't have a cell phone then, but that was it. Put your money in, maybe an ID, your tickets to your concert, and you're good to go. All right, guys, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to do this, like, subscribe, please. And please like this video, and make sure you watch me on TikTok. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook, and I'm also on Planet Earth. Thank you so much, Moose Toys. You guys rock. Thank you so much for bringing Real Littles backpacks to life in the US. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.